Hello viewers, hope all is well with you guys. This video is about the leg cramps. It is also called Charlie horse. I make this chart for you, have a look. These leg cramps happen anytime in the day, usually it happens in the night, but there are multiple reasons. The major reason is the dehydration, sometimes long standing or long sitting. So you can see that this circle is the calf. I will going to demonstrate in my leg also. So you can see these are three imaginary lines, and in the center is the point where to press. Do not use any fingers to do it. You have to use your thumb. Now I am going to demonstrate it. Let's see. You have to press it in the center here. Press and release, 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 press and release. If one set, when you do it one round, if the pain stops, you don't need to continue. But if it is not, and if still you are feeling pain, then you continue. 3 sets you can do it, or more as needed if the pain stop or not. But usually in one set, usually it is stop. Okay, the main thing to remember is that you press in the center, but not too long. Okay, as soon as you press and release. But if you press and hold, it's cause injury. It may stop the blood supply or pinch the nerve, the one if you hit the wrong nerve. Okay, so just go in the center and release, release, press and release, press and release, like this. Okay, do not go out of this, just here. That's why I make this circle. This is the calf area. Okay, so the warning in this is that pregnant women do not do this. It may induce the labor. Seniors can do it. It is no problem. Okay, hope you like my video, and if you like it, please share and comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.